Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have got something exciting news for those of you looking to kickstart or further your career in the world of cybersecurity. So, let's dive right into the video. hrmrwebsecure announces an urgent hiring opportunity for the role of cybersecurity trainer instructor. Let's head on to the job requirements. Well, they need a dedicated full time candidate with 6 months to 1 year of experience in the field of cybersecurity. And you should hold a bachelor's or master's degree and preferably possesses the CEH certification or a strong knowledge of cybersecurity and information security. And guess what? You'll be working in the vibrant city of Mumbai. Whether you are already in Mumbai or willing to relocate immediately, this could be the career move you have been waiting for. So, if you are ready to take your career to the next level and help shape the future of cybersecurity, don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, apply, get selected, and have a great future. Thank you.